In this video, I'm talking about a really cool software which I'll be reviewing in front of you right now. And it's called Mieux.ai. And it's another artificial intelligence AI writing tool. Mieux.ai allows you to automatically generate high quality long form blog posts using the power of AI. Plus, you can also stop worrying about plagiarism or search engine optimization because all blog posts are SEO friendly and completely unique. So, Mieux.ai is available on Appsumo. So, as you can see, it has got around 4.5 star out of 5, and this is available for a lifetime license starting from $79 only. So here, as you can see, this is direct alternative to Jasper. So in the license tier 1, you get 50,000 words per month and you get unlimited seats. And in the tier 2, you get 100,000 words per month. And in the tier 3, you get 300,000 words per month. And all of them have unlimited seats. So let's log into Mieux.ai and see what they have to offer. So this is the home screen of Mieux, and here, as you can see, so this is the main dashboard here. So here, as you can see the available word count here for your current month, and here you'll be able to track the consumption history here. So next what we have is you can just click on keyword analysis, and in the keyword research tab, so here you'll be able to find a particular keyword. You can find keyword research here. So I'll just select language English, and you can just select the location here. So I'll select United States, and here, as you can see, you can just enter the keyword here. Let's say Instagram, and let's check out the keyword difficulty, search volume, and everything related to this particular keyword. So here, as you can see, this is the keyword here. So then we have this competition, then we have this competition index, and that's the search volume here. So let's check out something else, Instagram marketing, and I'll click on get keywords. So you can find the trend here. So you can just hover over the data here, and you'll be able to see the search volume. Then you can see the competition, then competition index. Also, you can find all the related keywords here along with all the competition index, and search volume. So this is topic research here. I'll just select here, and here, as you can see, we had selected Instagram marketing and we had selected location for United States. And here, as you can see, so these are all the keywords here. And here, as you can see, all the number of website occurrence here, and this is headline occurrences, and you can see all the relevance here. So you can select some of the topics from here and write an article accordingly. So let's go to auto content generation here, and here, as you can see, this is the content grading, SEO blogs, then we have long form blogs, then this is title generator, intro generator, keyword insertion, then this is AIDA generation, then we have PAS generation, Google ads, Facebook ads, Amazon bullet points. So what we'll do is we'll just select this long form blogs here, and here you have to just click on generate blog. So here you have to put your main keyword here. So I've just mentioned Instagram marketing. So next what you have to do is you have to just describe about your blog, about your article. Okay, so here they have mentioned what not to give in the description. So here, as you can see, avoid using instruction like write a blog about how to lose weight in 30 minutes. Rather write naturally. So what I'll do, I'll just insert a natural text here. So once this is done, so you just have to click on next here, and this is generate headline. So we'll just click on generate some. So here, as you can see, so it has created the headlines. You can select any of those, and if you don't like anything, you can just click on again generate some. So I'll just select this one, the ultimate guide to Instagram marketing, and I'll click on save here. So next is generate introductions. So I'll just click on introductions. So here, as you can read, Instagram marketing is an essential tool to improve the branding of a company. Okay, so this is good. I'll just select this one and click on save. So introduction has been created. So next what we want is, so here, so this is the main editor here. So you'll be able to edit and format all the text from here. So this is bold, italic. Also you'll be able to add link here directly to your blog post. So the next thing is, so here as you can see, this is the long text generation. So assist is around 100 to 150 words in a go. Then we have this power, which will generate around 200 to 250 words, and this is magic, so this will generate around 300 to 400 words in just one click. So what I'll do is I'll just click on assist. So as you can see, so this has generated the text here, and the quality is decent here. So it has generated the text and the quality is also decent here. So next again I'll click on assist. So while writing, you have to make sure you have the cursor at the proper place here. So if you want to add something, you just have to select the cursor at whatever location you want and click on either assist, power or magic. So similarly, if you click on magic, this gives around 300 to 400 words in a single go. So as you can see, it has given us the points here, and similarly you can write 2000 or 3000 words article in less than few minutes. So next what we'll do is we'll just try out different templates here. So before that, we'll just save and click on next here. So once everything is done, I'll just close it. So next what we have is Google Ads, Facebook Ads. So we'll just select Google Ad here. So I've just selected the domain name as Mieux.ai, then search term AI content writer, and in the product description it's AI powered content writer. So I'll just mention the product description here. So I'll just click on create. So here as you can see, so it has generated the title here and also a short description here. This you can use for your Google Ads. So there you go guys, Mieux.ai is a really awesome AI writing tool, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to create original blog posts, social media content, Facebook ads and more in just few seconds. So if you are interested in Mieux.ai, check the link in the description below. So that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So if you want me to do a deeper review of this tool, or a review of a specific feature or templates, or a comparison of this tool with other AI copywriters in the market, let me know in the comments down below. As always, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.